If you ever have hard time booking your meetings and ping pong with people for the time arrangement, this video is for you. This is the subscription for Microsoft 365. Just go to the booking page where you can book your, you can configure your landing page for the meeting invites. All you need to do is just go to the booking tab and then create a new booking. You can put here meeting with LSR or whatever is your name, and then you can define here, hi, this is my schedule, book your meeting accordingly. And this will be visible to whoever wants to book a meeting with you. Just keep it public or private, and then you can specify the working hours. You can simply use your availability hours, or you can simply say my working time. You can be more specific. You can remove or add the days where you don't want to book, and then specifically you can define your time slots. You can even define two time slots, for example, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Once you do that, you can simply hit save, and this will become your booking assistant. Now onwards, just send the link to the people who would want to book with you, and all what they would be seeing at is this area and the calendar where they can simply book based on your availability. This will not only book the calendar for both of you, but also will send the Teams invite to them and you as well.